everyone. Today we will discuss about the modifying or advanced modifying tool in this AutoCAD 2026 tutorial. So first we will take the new file. So I'm taking new and we will discuss about these options. So these are the advanced options in modification of drawing. So first we will take some geometry for applying these like this. And applying some hatching also for experiencing the tool working. So I'm applying on this only and then close it. So now start it. So these first two options we will discuss about when we discuss the layers. So these two options related with layers and I am not completing in this video. So we are starting with this lengthen tool. So first we will clicking this and I'm showing you in the line. So I am making a line. So starting with the first tool, the lengthen tool. So clicking on this and now it is asking the select an object to measure. So I am selecting this object, this line, and the measurement, what kind you should reduce or lengthen it. So I am selecting the percentage. You can select or work on any of this. So I am only learning you the percentage reduction or percentage length. So I am typing P here and then enter. And now it is asking how much percentage you want to reduce it or lengthen it and increase the length or reduce. So you can type it that it is a 100%. You can reduce it by decreasing to 100% and you can increase also. So I want to increase this. So I am typing the above value of 100%. So I am typing 200. That's why it will increase up to 2x length. So I am writing 200 and then enter. So the object is selecting me. So this you are showing that this is lengthened by 2x. So how it is work the lengthen tool. And then second is edit polyline. For this option, first we have to make polyline. So the polyline I'm making and then enter. So this is the polyline I'm making. And now it is only just for the edit of this polyline option. In this, I am showing what are the options you can use. So selecting this and these are the options you can edit by which you can edit. So you can close this dialog box. You can join width, edit vertex and fit spline, decurved, tangent and reverse and you can undo. So these are the options you can do. I am showing you only one. You can check by its own and other options. So I'm clicking the width. So clicking not, I am typing width that is W and then enter. And they specify new widths for all segments. So you have to specify the width for all segments. I am typing 2 and then enter. So this is the 2x width of this. So this is the width of line increases. So these all another options you can choose it by your own or check it by. So then next is edit spline. For editing the spline, you have to use this tool. So these are the same option having as edit polyline tool. So I am showing you. For this, first we have to make a spline. So here is it is this is spline and making this spline and then enter. So for editing this spline, you have to use this option. So edit spline and select spline and then enter. So I have not show enter. I would not to do enter. I have select this first escape and selecting the fit line split spline edit. So these are the options on, and these are the same option which we have discussed in the previous tool, which was the polyline edit. So you can use all these options as I told you in the previous tool, and now you can exit also. So I am exiting. You can use it by own. So this is simple if you doesn't ready to do. So you can ask me for. I will discuss in this next video. And next is the hatching edit hatch. And for this edit hatch, you have to select this, and it is asking that select hatch object and select this. And these are the advanced options to be change in hatch edit. So these are the majors or deep options you can edit your hatching by changing in this. So you can change it by your own specification or own wanting. So you can change it. So I'm not changing here, but then only I am showing you what are the options too. So you can on okay. So you can use this advanced hatch option for editing advanced hatch. And this is the edit array. So first for editing this, so first we have to make an array. So making a array object like that and selecting array and then enter. So enter and this array is created. So you can add, these are the options you can change in array, but I am not changing. I am editing the options of, I am showing the options of array, edit array. So selecting the array and these are the options you can try in your array for editing this. So these are the source option, replace, base point, and replace for the geometry replacement. So I am showing you the replace REP and then enter. So select replacement object. So I am selecting this object. This for of this object array will be created if I am selecting this. So I am selecting this and then enter. So giving the source object and then enter. So the array will create it and then the next option is alignment. So for this align option, first we have to make some object and the first is this and second like this. So now this option align. So this is it is asking to select object. So I am select this object and then enter. And now it is asking first specify source point. So our source point is this. And next is first destination point. I want to describe or move this point to up to this. And and it is asking second source point. So second source point is this and second destination point is this. And then enter. You can specify third point also, but here not is mentioned or not useful is to use third option. And now it is asking scale object based on align point. So in this case, you have to do yes. So I am typing Y, and this is how it is align. So you can use this option. It is a good tool for drawing purposes. And next is breaking tool. So for breaking, first creating a line, not line, what is this? So I am showing the options in this. So first is break. So for breaking, select the object, and how this is you can break. You can type length also and by using mouse also. So this is how it will break. So this is normal option. And second is the point break. Break at a point. And for this, I am selecting the object and where you want to break this line or break this object, you can only select or only click. So I want to break this by this point. So I am clicking this. So now it is break. It is not showing, but it is break. So how will we see? How we will see that it is break? So first, like that you can see that I am moving mouse here. So only this option it is showing highlighted, not this. And if I am moving cursor here, it should be highlighted. So this is break. And for joining, and the next tool is join. For join such as a break the lines and object, you can join. So select this and select this object and then enter. So now it is created a single entity and or joined object. So if I am moving mouse here, whole object is highlighted. So how this is joint tool used. And then next is reverse tool. Any object or line you want to reverse, so you can reverse it. So this is simple option. You can use it by own. And then nested object. For copying the tools, you can use nested object option also. So selecting this and then enter and specify the point. So you can copy it anywhere you want. As I want to copy here. So you can copy a single entity. For this, it is used. And then next is delete duplicate object. For if you drawing has a multiple object and do you doesn't want to hold in it your drawing, so you can delete the duplicate object or same object you can delete by using this option. And this is the options to used in layer. So when we will discuss about layers, so these options we will use. And it is normally saying bring to front, send to back. If any object I am selecting and I want to bring it front and want to send to back, so you can use these options. And these are the alignment option by layer. So we will discuss in layer option in further details. So till then, keep learning, keep practicing. If you learn something from this video, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.